Hey guys, welcome to Project Management World, and we are here with our another video that is related to crashing versus fast tracking. So we use this terminology or this technique in our daily life as well, and it is a very important in term of schedule management. The person who do the actual project management knows these techniques, so you should have a clear understanding of these two topics. So let's start this. First of all, these two are the schedule compression techniques. Like whenever we think that we need to compress the schedule or we need to do work faster, so we apply one of these or both in the project. We do the crashing as well as fast tracking so that we can shorten the duration to meet the deadline or objective. So that is what it is. So if you see the screen, the crashing is a technique used to shorten the schedule duration for least incremental cost by adding resources. So adding resources is the word here. So what we do, we add the resources in the crashing. So I'll take an example of pipeline laying project. For example, we are into the trenching of the project, and excavate, we are working with one excavator which is excavating 500 meters a day, but now we need to fast this activity, so we add one more excavator to increase the productivity so that we can meet instead of 500 we can do 1 kilometer, 1000 meters as well. So this is what crashing is. We add the resources here. And fast tracking, it is a schedule compression technique in which activities or phases normally done in sequence are performed in parallel. So activities which we initially plan to be done in sequence, so we see and then we start doing that activity in the parallel so that we can reduce the duration of the project. And another thing, for this fast tracking, we cannot increase the resources. We just need to utilize the existing resources and do the fast tracking. So this is the main, basic difference here. So crashing is nothing, adding resources, and fast tracking is doing the work in parallel. Yeah, so if you see another slide, this is a very simple example. So both are used for less time, that is we discussed already. So fast tracking we do with the same resources, and in crashing we add the extra resources. So this is a simple, you can say, example as well. Now yes, this is a very good example and a good visualization you can do here. So these numbers are nothing but a duration here. So we have 15 working days to complete these three activities in normal conditions. We are having three resources, one into each activity. So if you see in fast tracking, we are performing two, 4 and 5 in parallel, and then 7 and 8 in parallel. So that is reducing the duration to 11 days from 15. And we are having the same resources as we discussed. And in crashing, what we did here, we did not did the work in parallel. We just added the resources. So if you see, instead of one, we are having 2 resources into each activities. So that's why the duration has come into the 10 days. So, and another, you can say, with fast tracking there is a high risk opportunity. Like we may face more risk because doing the work parallelly may increase the complexity, so that like coordination work will be hampered and all things. So this is a high risk fast tracking. And crashing, obviously if we add more resources we have to spend more money. So that is a simple example of crashing and fast tracking. So hope you have understood this, and yeah, that was it, and we will come back with another videos soon. So let me know in comment section if you have any suggestions, any feedback for me, and thanks and have a good day.